Rinaldo Parahinog, alias Andong, the mayor of Osamin City. Nova Princess Parahinog Chavez used to be the wife of, I think, Colangco. Alam mo, baskin saya magpunta, abangan ko kayo.
Itong si Ardot, the remaining, ito yung gato. Place him in your arrows. I'm increasing the number, the money, the reward money on set by 5 million. Kaya kung wala na kayong magawa of duty, tingin ninyo yan, that's 5 million. I do not care if he is really a complicit of Ardot. Kung kasama niya, dadalhin niya yung ulo, absuelto ko na siya.
Kanang pamilyahan na Parahinog